Okay, today, 5-minute Father's Day present. Don't use any of his good ratchets or your ratchets. That would probably be even better. Don't use any of your good ratchets. Use your shitty ones. Your, old school round head Taiwan, China, whatever. This one's been in a fire. See how the plastic's all melted? This one's even better because there's no innards. So, yeah, something just like that. Yeah, don't use any of his old school Craftsman USA or SK, even Proto Challenger. Don't use that. You could use this one, except for the head rotates on it. So that kind of screws that one up. And then this one you could use too. It's a clutch, but it does have the flippy floppy head. So you could take this out and it would just be that big. But yeah, that's basically what we're after. We're after about this section. Well, let me just take you through the steps of doing it first. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get you one of these here cheap old Chinese Taiwan round head ratchets. Don't use the good stuff. Just slide the pick in there, pull it all the way around. It'll be able to drop that out. That is not a good ratchet. That rust and crap in there. But it'll make a great bottle opener. May come back in here and round this off. That's the part that will go on the top of the cap when you pop it. And that's what she looks like. Now let's go test her. I got this one that I fashioned a tooth on. It doesn't really work that great. I mean, it'll pop it open, but it doesn't like to pop it all the way off. You have to hit it twice. So I think flattening that out will make this one much better. So if you put a tooth on yours, make sure it's got some width on it. This one right here, I've got it to where it's working better now. I did have to heat this up, hammer her down. See how she comes up more of a 90-degree angle. That actually allows you to pop it, and it does come off most of the time with just one pull. Just a little tweaking and she's good. Geek juice, zombie. Oh, vanilla cream soda. Alright, and the one that I thought would probably not work as well because it's very, very thin there. But it is wide. That actually aids it in taking the cap off every time. So that is the simplest, easiest, best design one that I have here on the table. And yeah, I'm your Huckleberry. You can find your junk ass cheap Chinese ratchet or even an old cheap Taiwan one and make it useful and turn it into a working tool. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties. They never fit.